The Foreign Affairs Minister, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, says the stowaways who were recently discovered dead in the wheel well of a JetBlue aircraft are not Jamaican. Senator Johnson says the ministry is awaiting formal reports as investigations continue. She provided the update on social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, today. There was speculation that the men could have been from Jamaica, as the aeroplane had made several stops, including to the island, before the bodies were discovered during a routine inspection at Fort Lauderdale's Hollywood International Airport.